Hey everyone, welcome back. Shruts is with me.
Yeah, hello, and so is Jojo.
Yeah. Last time बहुत intense scene हो गया था. Let's
ये
just
रावल एंड भाग ना हमें आई हैव नो आइडिया ये अपनी एल्बम के साथ हमें कहाँ-कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं.
where they are
कभी
taking us.
सुपर हाँ, like as we had discussed last time, they're taking like you know we're going on a high with them and then we just kind of they just drop and be like संभाल लो अपने आप को कोई बात नहीं and then you kind of come back up and down. So let's see today क्या होगा. Where are
Can
we
I
in the journey?
can I just tell you that I got a comment and I just want to call it out. So I'm going to talk about
Okay.
it. Somebody
हाँ.
commented saying इतना भी इतना भी अच्छा गाना नहीं था. But I guess tears equal views. So it makes sense for you to cry.
वाह 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 कितना ही रिग्रेसिव थॉट है आपका. वाह वाह बहुत बड़े मजे आए ये कमेंट सुन के. यार पता है
I
एक
was
बहुत
like,
बड़ी चीज
wow.
होती है. या
Wow.
एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है साइकोलॉजी में भी बोलते हैं जनरली लाइफ में भी बोलते हैं कि व्हेनेवर वी से समथिंग ना वी शुड बी just aware and mindful of what we speak because whatever we are speaking about anybody or about anything हमें उनके बारे में हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं. When we are speaking we are reflecting of what we are thinking and how we think. So whatever you speak, even if you speak anything about anyone else, you're talking about yourself. So
And
just
your
be mindful
perception of the
of that.
world.
Yes,
Your perception
yes.
of the world is a little bit
So
warped.
this comment is telling us more about you, which is good to know. Good to know you. हम इतनी बातें करते रहते हैं अपने बारे में. So good to know आप कैसे हैं also. अच्छी बात है.
I know, I
चलो.
loved it. I loved it. Normally, I don't talk about weird comments, but that one just made my day. I was like, wow. अब हम views के लिए रो रहे हैं मतलब.
Yeah, we're ready.
But you know, this one's called Moth, and I have heard that this one gets intense. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know what intense means now because every sort of intensity we felt through this album till now.
I
Every
agree.
level
I
of it.
absolutely
So,
agree. And if it moves me, I will cry. If
Mm.
it moves you, Joe, feel free to cry.
I always feel free. So you know.
I'm grunting also now. Chalo, come on. Let's do this.
I
Okay.
love it. I love grunting laughs. Laughs
Grunting
with
laughs, huh? That's
grunts
so
are the
hearty.
best. हाँ, okay, चलो.
चलो.
One,
करो करो.
2, 3, play.
ओए प्ले नहीं हुआ. Wait, प्ले नहीं हुआ.
Oh,
Count again. Count again.
okay. मौत सब चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, play.
पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके में. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके में और मौत का साया भटकता घर के किनारे पे. पास बताना हम बस शक्ल से ही प्यारे से. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके में और मौत का साया भटकता घर के किनारे पे. पास बताना हम बस शक्ल से ही प्यारे से. मेरे जोन में कोई नहीं फेक कोई नहीं फर्जी. मेरा कोई नहीं है बॉस ये मेरी मर्जी. ऐसी बातें सुन के लोगों की है सर्दी पर मैं फिर भी रहता नम जैसे सर्दी. मैं हूँ सर्दी मैं कोई रैपर नहीं. गाली दे फिर रैपर वही. स्टूडियो बना मंदिर बना किचन मैं हूँ रैटेटुई. मास्टर शेफ नोट छापे आर्किटेक्ट यंग डिजाइनर और मैं राइमा आई कांट बी कंटेंट. फक जिंदगी ने बना दिया मुझे अलग. मैंने सीखे काफी सबक अब मैं चीकू फक द वर्ल्ड नो रबर. दिल पे पहना कवच मुझे याद है वो दिन जमा गई बरस. बता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके पे और मौत का साया भटकता घर के किनारे पे. पास बताना हम बस शक्ल से ही प्यारे से. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. तुझे लगता हूँ मैं रूड इसमें तेरा कोई कसूर नहीं. लोग करते हेट जिनका कोई भी वजूद नहीं. मेरी जिंदगी में मुंह पे रहते चुप जैसे होठ मैंने सीधे. अगर दिल में तेरा खोट दिमाग में भरी मैल तो उल्टे पाव बगले जैसे हो तो कोई चुड़ैल. आंखों में चमकता तेरे अंदर का बिच. मेरा एक्स-रे विजन बोले कि तू है शिट. फक अभी याद आई रात आगरा था शहर 2004. लेबर ने किया वार मामा के परिवार पे. भरी अपनी जेब मर्डर का बना केस फिर मार दिया सबको. मेरा भाई होता मेरे जितना और एक बहन होती छोटी पर मार दिया सबको. मार दिया सबको. किसी पे विश्वास नहीं है अब तो. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके पे और मौत का साया भटकता घर के किनारे पे. पास बताना हम बस शक्ल से ही प्यारे से. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में. पता क्या बताए तुझे मौत के बारे में.
Mm, mm. That was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. The end panning, na? It
Mm.
ended on a pan. That, I mean, that real incident which he spoke about, that suddenly got very,
Dark, but I had real like chills going up my spine.
yeah, me too. Like chills is the right word because it was little like scary to think if something like this actually happens to someone you know, that's really scary. And then the intensity of that first line, na, कि पता क्या है तुझे मौत के बारे में, that fully is justified because the different things that they were talking about, uh, wow, I wasn't expecting that from Bhargan Raval, you know. Usually
Mm.
we've been so used to them like with all happy songs or like some like, you know, nice, what to say, clean songs. But यहाँ पे ये बहुत
Yeah.
intense in a very dark way हो गया, which is a very interesting layer to add to them.
I mean, it got kind of dark-ish in Aage Aur Upar,
Yeah,
but also bringing forth
yeah,
the light in
yeah,
conclusion to it. This is,
yeah,
I feel, in the dark zone, but also
yeah,
in the sort of therapeutic zone.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
if you've gone through all this and then you're putting it in a song which is so hard,
Yes,
the song
yeah.
is the beat, the song, the vibe, everything about it is really you know, so when you're
I had so
singing,
many favorite lines also.
yeah, but when but
Uh,
imagine when you're performing this, when you're in the studio recording this, and then you get done with it and you come out, imagine the kind of weight that's taken off your shoulders and mind, that kind of like
yeah,
release that happens,
yeah.
you know.
That
So
you've actually spoken. Yeah,
yeah, that it's come out and bus, I've taken it out and it's gone. So that whole, I got that feeling at by the end of it. He's just like there's
uh,
just so many
uh,
bars and so many truth bombs and so much good stuff in there in the lines themselves. But as an overall, I'm saying it was just a good release.
yeah. And as we've always heard and seen that with most artists, when they're putting their real life onto paper and then singing it, that's where the real intensity comes from because you can't fake it. You know, that's when you're real. You can't fake कि अगर किसी की कोई कही सुनी बात और वो डाल दी, that will never have the same effect as when जो आप पे आप बीती होती है और वो आप डालते हो. So which is why their music actually moves you because you really feel like, you know, because they're talking about their life. And that's how all our favorites, everyone we've loved over, you know, now over months that we're listening, and everyone that we've loved, that's been the baseline. Whenever anybody's super real and when they're talking about something that's happened, and honestly and earnestly, they're just putting it out there for people to listen. Stunning, stunning. And I love how the light elements are very like, hum वैसे ही बड़े प्यारे से. You know, when they said that दूर रहो, that was my favorite line. When they say हम वैसे भी बड़े
I'm
प्यारे
gonna,
से.
yeah, I'm gonna go through
Read
it
out, read out.
quickly because very nice.
Yeah,
पता क्या पता है तुझे मौत के बारे में, मैं नहीं पला बड़ा हटेली इलाके में, पर मौत का साया भटकता घर के किनारे में, पास मत आना हम बस शक्ल से ही प्यारे से.
this one. I love it.
The nice one. मेरे जोन में कोई नहीं फेक, कोई नहीं फर्जी, मेरा कोई नहीं है बॉस, ये मेरी मर्जी, ऐसी बातें सुन के लोगों की है सड़ती, पर मैं फिर भी रहता नम जैसे सर्दी. मैं हूँ सर्दी में कोई रैपर नहीं, गाली दे फिर रिपीट वही, स्टूडियो बना मंदिर बना किचन, मैं हूँ रैटाटूई, मास्टर शेफ नोट छापे आर्किटेक्ट, यंग डिजाइनर और मैं राइमर, आई कांट बी कंटेंट. जिंदगी ने बना दिया मुझको अलग, मैंने सीखे काफी सबक, अब मैं चीखूं द वर्ल्ड नो रबर, दिल पे पहना कवच, मुझे याद है वो दिन जब माँ गई बरस. एंड देन द हुक, बता क्या पता है तुझे मौत के बारे में. He said, I've seen it up close and
Yeah,
personal, you
yeah.
know. So verse 2, तुझे लगता हूँ मैं रूड, इसमें तेरा कोई कसूर नहीं, लोग करते हेट जिनका कोई भी वजूद नहीं, मेरी जिंदगी में मुंह पे रहते चुप, जैसे होंठ मैंने सी दिए, अगर दिल
CD.
में तेरा खोट, दिमाग में भरी मैल, तो उल्टे पाँव भाग ले जैसे हो तू कोई चुड़ैल. when he was these lines, I was thinking of the person we mentioned at the start of this video. But yes, आंखों में चमकता तेरे अंदर का मेरा एक्सरे विजन, बोले कि तू है. अभी याद आई रात, आगरा था शहर 2004, लेबर ने किया वार, मामा के परिवार पे, भरी अपनी जेब, मर्डर का बना केस, फिर मार दिया सबको, मेरा भाई होता होता मेरे जितना, और एक बहन होती छोटी पर मार दिया सबको, मार दिया सबको, किसी पे विश्वास नहीं है अब तो.
So my
Really?
heart goes out
I
to this.
know.
Yeah.
This is really.
No one should go through this. And if someone has, and if they can get themselves to heal out of it, like big respect for that. As a human, it's beyond. So, I think that's what happens. We get very desensitized because we watch so many of these TV series in jiske andar itni maardhar ho rahi hai, itna constantly murders are being shown, everything is being shown, that we just kind of start accepting it as, haan, hota hai, hamare saath to nahi ho raha. So we can look at it and we look at it as entertainment. So that we are becoming more and more as a society, and that's our truth, and we have to acknowledge it at some point, that we are getting desensitized to it because we're so living constantly with the Black Mirror. We're so constantly living in it that we're not even realizing how much our psyche and we are changing. That jab ye kisi ke saath hota hai, we equate it more or less, if agar kisi ke saath na hua ho, to haan us series mein dekha tha ya wahan dekha tha. But the reality is very, very different.
Yeah.
Of what a family goes through, what people go through, what emotional turmoil it takes you through. So just like a lot of respect, yeah. Like this,
there are
just can't
individuals whose entire life takes a different turn from the time that incident happens. Like they become different people after that. They completely change in their everything. It impacts every individual affected so strongly. It's you're right. It just, there's a lot of desensitization that is happening because of the frequency maybe, and also the kind of content that's being created and put out regularly,
and that we're consuming.
I feel it's okay to consume, but also remember how it's affecting you at the end of the day. So okay, should we go to
I
the
think
next track?
सुन ही लेते हैं, because ये इतना heavy गाना है ना, that let's not leave it like that. Like let's listen to another one. And the song itself is Who Let the Dogs Out. So I'm hoping that thoda, like,
it's weird how they have Jungli Kutta and now Who Let the Dogs Out in the same album, right? I think they're kind of onto something here, onto a theme. Yeah, let's listen to it. Why not?
Let's do.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
Bar cooked another one.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the motherfucking shit? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the you? कमरे में बैठा मैं हर रोज दुखी, रातों को घूरता मैं चंद्रमुखी, नोट भी छापे काफी मैंने बिजनेस से, पिछले 3 साल गुजारे फिर इज्जत से, अंदर का जंगली कुत्ता मेरा कैद, अपनी जिंदगी नहीं बेचूंगा डैड, बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे ये संगीत, होता सिर्फ जिंदा जब सुनता मैं बीट, पुरानी लत है ये नया कोई जोश नहीं, इसमें कोई तेरा या मेरा कोई दोष नहीं, म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में ज्यादा कोई किसी का दोस्त नहीं, अपर के रैपर ज्यादा कोई डोप नहीं, इनकी कोई सोच नहीं, सोच भाई अगर होती इनकी सोच नहीं, दिमाग लगा सोच कंपटीशन कोई नहीं, मैं अपनी लेन में दिमाग ये दौड़ता जैसे कोई ट्रेन है, मेरे सारे दोस्त इंसेन है, कोई नहीं बेसिक, I was just born to ace it, fucking amazing, रावल कर सकता आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश और स्पेनिश में रैप, yo soy fuego, hasta luego, no cap, yo चाहिए अब तेरी ये फेम, छीनूं मैं ये तेरी मोटी सी चेन, तेरा स्टेज नेम मेरे लिए लेम, क्या खा रहा तू अपनी प्लेट में, तेरी बंदी चलना चाहती है डेट पे, जाटू रैपरों की रेट ये जो कि अंदर आ गए गेट से, तू कैसे अंदर आ गया बेंचो, तू कैसे अंदर आ गया, बना गेटकीपर मैं चौकीदार, ये कोई नहीं मोदी सरकार, लड़ता इकलौता, वोट करूँ आप या वोट करूँ नोटा, नहीं फूकता जोटा पर पे गए मोटा, ये देखने सपने तू सो जा, रखता सिर्फ गोल्स जो सोचा वो होगा आसान, ये गाने बाबा की है बूटी और मैं हूँ किसान, मेरा काम मेरी शान मेरा नामो निशान, कौन बोला फिर नहीं मिलेगा ये नाम, चोट ले तू फोकट का ज्ञान, चोट ले तू फोकट का चुप रुक साले साइड हो, जो जीता तू अपनी जिंदगी जैसे हो तू कोई किनारे की साइड हो, मैं बोला काय को तेरा लाइफ को जीतूंगा मैं क्योंकि I know, लड़का इकलौता मैं अलग तुझ जैसे है खरब, मैं काफी हूँ नरम, अगर बुद्धि ना जाए सनक फिर पड़ेंगे संकट, अब आंखें हैं हम पर फिर पड़ेंगे संकट, yeah. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the motherfucking shit? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the you?
Hilarious.
दरवाजा खोल, दरवाजा. कौवे से अब हम कुत्तों पे आ गए हैं.
That
मतलब
was-
like सोचो.
That was a very small dog at the end. It was not a big dog.
Yeah.
That's the funniest thing. You've
It was
taken
like a
a
pom.
I know it was like
Yeah.
a Pomeranian or Chihuahua.
Or
bark.
yeah, Chihuahua type. Yes. Oh, I'm glad we heard that song. Because like, you know, we could not have left feeling emotional the way we were previous गाने के बाद. तो ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि ये गाना सुन लिया. And I love their ad-libs, yeah, जो पीछे चल रहे, दरवाजा खोल, दरवाजा क्यों नहीं खोल, दरवाजा खोल. So funny.
So funny. I'm trying to see where the lyrics are. Genius.com. They're not there. Wait. Maybe they're there. I should not. I get very excited when I get to scold them. In case you haven't picked that. They have missing lyrics. They don't have.
ये कैसे हो गया? Genius.com के साथ सब कुछ होता है, हमेशा होता है. This morning only I was reading one of the comments which said that Genius.com should like sponsor you guys. So I was like, yes, why not? If Genius.com को extra पैसे भेज दो.
I have nothing to say.
Oh God.
You
How
guys.
like that?
I mean, पूरा album है. 3 गाने के नहीं है. What sense?
What is Genius? What
The-
is?
okay, so the lyrics are not there on any website for this track, which sucks because I really wanted to go through them. They were so funny.
Yeah,
They were
they
so
were
funny.
amazing.
And I wanted to say this even after we heard Maud, but it slipped my mind. I'm really liking Raval's sort of, his what do you call that?
Tonal quality.
The tonal quality and just
Mm.
the power he's bringing with him behind the mic.
Yes.
He's just going for it. Like that whole what do you call that? The yes.
I don't know, the grit and the that's what it's called. It's the
Yeah, I feel like damn, this guy goes like he goes ham on the mic, like seriously. So I'm really liking that because I think both Moth and this one, it was just him. It was just him
Yeah.
on it, featuring
Yeah.
Raval. Okay, featuring Raval. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Good stuff.
But very nice. Very good stuff.
I like the writing. I like the flow. I like the ad libs, the little hilarious, funny things coming in and out. The ending with the dogs barking.
I love their little elements that they put in. You know, it's kind
It's
of their
very-
speciality. सिर्फ गाने में बात खत्म नहीं होती. You know, जब गाना प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, उसके बाद जो वो छोटे-छोटे elements डालते हैं, they're stunning.
It's kind of like they're garnishing the main dish, like
Yes, like Ratatouille.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can rap in
Reference
Spanish.
to it.
I was
Yeah.
laughing. It's like
What-
interesting.
So Spanish rap में क्या बोला था? You don't understand Spanish.
See,
हाँ.
I understood he said something hasta luego, but it went too fast. He said 2 lines. Let me
Ah,
just
okay.
quickly rewind to it. He said, no soy cuego hasta luego. No soy cuego is not a word I know because it's fuego. Fuego means fire. So there is no such word. No soy cuego. 1 second. It's
Fuego.
So from what I can understand, that's why I wanted to look at the lyrics. He's saying no soy cuego hasta luego. I don't know this word cuego. I know fuego. Fuego means fire. So no soy fuego, it would be I'm not fire, but I think he is. So I think he's saying cuego and I don't know the meaning. No soy cuego, I'm not something. I'm not cuego.
हाँ.
And hasta luego is see you later.
Oh, see you later. Okay, nice.
But if cuego is something in slang, then and you know what it means, please tell me in the comments. I would love to know. This is not
Yeah.
a word I've heard before. Maybe it's South American slang because in Spain they don't use this. So, theek hai, whatever it is, very nice. I like it. I like the little peppering in with the fun elements.
Like I'm not too big on the beat में जो वो that was going on. Even usually when that beat
Oh,
is
I like
used in trance music, so
Ah.
I don't like. So I'm a EDM
Ah.
person. I don't like trance at all. And this was a very trancey element, to use. So but although I don't like it, I kind of liked it in the song because it went very well with the flow of the lyrics and the way they were singing it. It kind of just went very perfectly with the mood of the song. So which is why I kind of liked it. But yeah.
Acha. I mean I like the sound and I like the beat and all of that. It made me kind of I think it would be a good drive song, this one, for sure.
I think it's a very good dance song. Like, you know, when you're on the whole feel and the beat of dancing, like when you're on the,
Yeah.
those peak moments come when you're dancing with friends and everyone, like when you've gone out, even clubbing, or like when lockdown, everything finishes, whatever. But
Jab
you know,
wo
those
din
peak
aayenge.
moments,
Yeah.
it was that when you're in the full, like, you know, full zone, and then you want to just like dance to something and like just like break shit. So very, very वैसा वाला गाना था ये.
Yes. Yes, it was. And you know,
Yeah.
I'm still on a spree to hunt down these lyrics because I ain't given up. But I cannot see anywhere.
Jojo the Geek. Jojo the Geek is shining out right now. She
Yes.
cannot. She needs to now find it.
Now it's gonna piss me off the whole day if I don't find these lyrics.
Raval and Bhar, can you guys please just like forward her the lyrics properly? नहीं तो ये especially हो, नहीं तो इसको भूख भूख नहीं लगेगी. Like, you know, please.
Till I don't, then now that word is gonna bug me. This Fuego. What is he said over there?
Maybe it was Huego. Does Huego mean something?
Fuego doesn't mean anything. Huevos
Even that
means-
doesn't mean anything.
No,
Oh.
huevo means eggs. I'm not an egg. I don't
I'm
know.
not an egg. Okay, bye. See you.
I highly doubt. Fuego is obsolete form of fuego. So no, man.
So I'm not fire.
I'm
Okay, bye,
telling
see
you. Yeah, I don't know. Listen, maybe I don't know Spanish. So let's just leave it at that.
बहुत साल हो गए. हाँ.
It's gone from my system. Just let me know what that line was. Otherwise, neend nahi aayegi. Next, what do we have on this album? We have Mal Wali Baatcheet. Okay, that's a 40-seconder. So I think that's a skit. And then we have Tagore Garden. Okay, I think
So we can do both those next time. Yeah.
we'll get to those two. Okay, lovely. This album is
Very nice session.
yeah, I know the different moods these two songs have given us. Not surprising at all from this album. So we'll continue with it.
Yeah, unki album ka waveform jari hai. You know, when they're taking us up and then bringing it down, down, up, down, waveform is going on in the correct way. Yeah.
Yep. So all right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, live long and prosper.
Bye.